morning, bee friends, and welcome to week 3 of summer school. This week, we are really going to dive deeper into our specific topics that you got to choose. Thanks for choosing bees, and I will be working with you for the next couple of weeks to really get to understand why these bees are so important and what's happening to them. So back in weeks 1 and weeks 2, we talked about what bees are and why they're important and why we need them. This week, we're really going to focus on what's the problem, what's happening with these bees that we need to try to fix so that we can continue to have them in our environment. So for this week, you have 4 must-dos. Hard times for honeybees. That's this one. What's the buzz about pollinators? And the case of the vanishing bees. All of those have to do with our bee topic. The last must-do is a persuasive writing task because for our final project, we are really going to try to persuade our audience to do the right thing by bees. And what that means is you're going to learn what we can do to help the bees, and in your final project, you're going to try to tell your audience, you should do this too. So we're going to need some practice with our persuasive writing before we get to that point. Over in the may-do section, you pick 2 of these. We have Why Bees Are Awesome, a kindness acrostic poem, or you can complete personalized lessons on Dreambox. So 2 of those you are going to pick. Over in the middle, you can see, as always, we have our May-Do office hours. If you need some help, you can come to office hours between 9 and 1. If you want to talk to me specifically, my office hours are at 12 o'clock. And then there's also a May-Do, which is our learning circles, our social emotional circles, where you can come in and do a circle with the rest of the group. And that's happening Thursdays at 12 o'clock. So you could choose to do that, and the meeting ID and everything is right there for you. So now I want you to have some fun and figure out what's going on with these bees. What is the problem?